More than just a utilitarian backyard plot, the patio is your chance to bring your vision of paradise to life. Why you don't make perfect oasis for relaxation in your yard or on the terrace? No matter how little your yard or balcony is, it can be turned into an amazing outdoor oasis. There are numerous design elements which, when combined together, could create wonderful places to enjoy the hot summer days. While you watch our today's collection, we will tell you some ideas that will help you to create a comfortable place to relax. The final result will be the escape from the reality that you can use every day without travel and plane tickets. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There is truly no limit to the catalogue of backyard patio inspiration. Stone and lattice work, plants and flowers, repurposed materials, and even textiles have all found their way into the modern patio scheme, with no comfort spared or detail overlooked. Your patio is your outdoor living room and dining area, and can be enjoyed by friends and family alike with the same standards you would apply indoors. As with any up-to-date and well-tended outdoor space, the backyard patio promises years of luxury and repose. We all deserve a sanctuary to retreat to and likewise share with those we are closest to. Your modern patio is no exception. By following your design intuition and investing a little time and effort in crafting an expert backyard patio, your home will be elevated to a whole new level of class and leisure. With the appeal of townhomes, many men are finding themselves with small backyards and no idea what to do with them. There are perfect patio ideas you can use for a restrictive space that requires some privacy and versatility. Just because your backyard lacks in size doesn't mean you have to settle for a barren yard. Planters which look like they are meant to dress up a patio space can be used to bring some life to your small patio. Large patios are great for serving several purposes at the same time. On the same patio, you can have a grilling station, a dining table and chairs, and a lounging area with a fire pit. This is a terrific outdoor living space idea. Guests can move from space to space without having to traverse paths, stairs, or other obstacles that restrict the patio's flow. If you like to make the most use of your backyard, you might consider a patio space with a pool. While the pool is the main attraction, you can add a comfortable sitting areas with a fire pit, a small garden space, or even pergolas. You may not be able to pull off all of these spaces in your yard, but it's possible to take a few. Some men don't have the acreage to put together an elaborate backyard paradise. If you've only got a small space to work with, maximize its potential with comfortable seating and a fire pit. A gas fire pit is a great option if you don't want to deal with firewood, or if your local authority doesn't allow it. Gas fire pits burn cleaner, so you don't have to contend with thick smoke and smelly clothes. They are also easier to operate as they only require a fuel source and a match to kick back and watch the flames dance. You can also separate your backyard into several small patios by stone raised beds and the change in patio paver materials. Large pavers make the area nice and flat so long pieces of furniture don't rock, and walking with a glass of wine doesn't become a challenge. Cobblestone area which looks amazing could be added as well, surrounded by raised beds and timeless stonework. Depending on your situation, you may not be able to put a large and intricate patio in your backyard. When that's the case, large paver stones can make a big impact without much of an investment. If this is the route that you'd like to take your patio project, it's important to grade, or flatten, the area you'll be using. Even though this is essentially a drag-and-drop patio idea, you don't want the stones to rock or create lips that will trip your guests. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.